Recently, I was lucky enough to visit Japan with my family and I couldn't take up the opportunity not to visit Up Garage. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the prices at Up Garage and if it's cheaper than at home. Let's get into it. Okay guys, I'm at the Up Garage now. I'm out at the back because people are here and they probably don't want to be filmed. So yeah, I'm at the Up Garage. I'm ready to look for some parts for the Sora and tell you guys how expensive and cheap the parts really are here and if you can grab yourself a bargain. So for anyone who doesn't know what an Up Garage is, it's basically they sell new and used parts all over the store. People bring parts in and they resell them on. And it is just a place where you can find bargain prices, especially if you have an 86 or a BRZ. These things are everywhere here and there's unlimited parts for them. Way out the fear, ain't no way out for me. They always told me I'm the wave, like I'm way out and see I know some real ones. So there's a couple options you can get here. You can get brand new stuff at Up Garage, or you can actually get secondhand stuff. As you can see there, secondhand, 90 bucks for that seat. So it can be pretty cheap, but it could be pretty expensive as well. So like that one's pretty cheap for a seat like that. But there's tons of parts here. They got all parts from cars that like are new, old. People bring in stuff, and that's what makes it so sick. You can get parts for your car, and they're all cheap. They're actually pretty cheap because some of them, like I said, are used, so it makes them pretty cheap, which is good for people like me. So yeah, you can get mirrors, you can get spoilers and all that sort of stuff. So reason we are here, we are looking for any Sora parts we can find, looking for cool gauges, cheap boost controllers and stuff like that. I've already bought some stuff that I'll show you when I go back to the hotel. But yeah, I'm gonna keep looking around. I'll show you any good things I find or any cheap things so you can compare the prices to back there and see if it's actually worth getting them shipped over. And also guys, this is actually the smallest one I've been to. This is the third one and this is actually the smallest. Usually they're 2-story, but this one's actually a bit smaller. So yeah. Ain't no way I could be out here living like a villain, only way up for me. Moving out the purges, I give time if it was worth it. Alright guys, so over here we have their Japanese gauges. These ones are actually auto gauge. Now at the first one we went to, they had them on special for $30 and I managed to get 3 of them for $100. So as you can see, they also have all this stuff which is like secondhand stuff that people bring in. So we got like I don't know what this is. This is for a Lexus. And then it's got like a race chip. What's that for? I don't even know, but you see you can get all these secondhand sort of parts. So obviously some of these parts are reduced and you can take a risk on it. Like it could be either good or bad. And as you can see here, we got a clutch, $100. It's pretty good, 30,000 Ks on it. That's actually really good. So they do sell some cheap parts here. Strut, engine braces and all that sort of stuff, intercoolers, everything is pretty cheap. Take it personal. Say that you the goat, I asked around, I never heard of you. Rocky road ahead and there's some things I had to hurry. Guys, the store is actually pretty busy, so I'm not going to film on the other side, but I'll show you the clips on the screen. The tires and rims here are the most surprising ones. Some of them are so cheap for what they are. It is insane. But like I said, you can get these secondhand parts and they could all be secondhand. They're actually in really good condition. So yeah, I'm looking around now and there's not many parts for a Sora, but I think I'm going to buy a steering wheel. So I'm going to go find one and show you guys. And you can see before as well, and I'm putting it on the screen, there is a Chaser front mount intercooler, a Blitz one. It has some marks on the fins and stuff, but it's only $360. And I bought mine brand new for around that, and it's not even really a brand, I don't think. It was just off Just Jap, so that is ridiculous. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the wheel I picked up earlier and I'm thinking about getting it. It only has a few scuff marks on the back, which is fine. It is 259 bucks. I just looked up the price. It is 460 bucks off Sparko. So it's a killer deal. All the prices here are just so much cheaper than we get, especially in Australia. It is ridiculous how marked up everything is. Even the seats, like, I found some Brides the other day, like the ones I want in my car, and they were so much cheaper. But yeah, this is the steering wheel I think I'm going to go with. Got to find a horn button for it, and yeah. All in all, visiting Up Garage was seriously a dream come true. The price differences over there are insane. You can definitely grab yourself a bargain. It just shows how overpriced Australia really is. Cannot wait to go back there and grab myself some more parts. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.